Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that is literally a monumental shift in the digital landscape. I mean, we aren't just looking at your standard update or some minor patch notes release here. No, we are looking at a full-blown awakening. You know, the digital ecosystem is vast, right? It's chaotic and it's always evolving. But every once in a while, a massive paradigm shift happens, something that completely redefines the very foundation of how a network operates, how it secures itself, and most importantly, how it empowers the people actually using it. And today, we are stepping right into that exact moment with Univex Network 2.0.
Just think about the deliberate choice of words Univex is using right there. The next chapter. You know, a chapter implies turning the page. It's a continuation of the story, sure, but with entirely new stakes and a totally fresh narrative arc. The Univex ecosystem hasn't just gotten a quick facelift, it has officially crossed a major threshold. This quote straight from their launch roadmap really sets a dramatic, definitive tone. It's basically a declaration. It tells us that the foundational work of the past is done, and the doors to a vastly expanded, highly sophisticated digital frontier have literally been thrown wide open.
Section 1. Univex Network 2.0 is live.
And listen, Univex 2.0 is not some distant promise. This network is actively pulsing right now. And this philosophy illustrates exactly why. Because honestly, an ecosystem is absolutely nothing without its inhabitants. The Univex network isn't being built in a vacuum by a bunch of isolated developers. It is explicitly framed as a community-driven launch. So as users enter the network, as they engage with its tools and secure its pathways, the project claims the network itself actively grows stronger, smarter, and incredibly more powerful right alongside them. It's a shared evolution, which is pretty awesome.
Section 2. Mining and token supply.
So what exactly is the economic engine driving this community and securing this whole new ecosystem? Well, to understand the true scale of Univex 2.0, we've got to look beneath the surface at the core mechanics of its tokenomics. 270 million. Let that number just sit with you for a second. 270 million. That is the absolute total supply of the Univex token. Now, in the world of digital assets, this number totally defines the boundaries of the ecosystem. It's a massive, expansive figure, right? It allows for really widespread distribution, but because it's a fixed total supply, it inherently creates this crucial framework of scarcity. Univex is presenting this as the absolute perfect architectural balance, accessibility for the masses on one hand, and structural integrity for the network's future on the other.
But what's really fascinating is how you actually interact with that massive supply. The developers have completely dismantled those traditional barriers to entry. How? By allowing users to mine Univex directly from the app. That's right, there are no complex mining rigs required, no labyrinthine setups or deep technical hurdles to jump over. The ecosystem puts the mechanism of accumulation right in the palm of your hand. It really highlights just how immediate and actionable this launch is. According to their documentation, the tools to participate are designed to be universally accessible from day one. Literally anyone can jump in.
Section 3. Unlocking premium membership.
Now, simply participating is just the baseline. There are much deeper layers here. For those of you looking to truly immerse yourselves in the network, the crucial point is utility. Those tokens you're mining, they aren't just passive digital assets sitting in a wallet. They are literally the keys to the kingdom. By holding and using UVX tokens, you can actually unlock premium membership. This creates such a cool